All right, so let me show you a few examples of what people have built with Manus. So this is AK from Twitter. Prompt, make a 3JS endless runner game. And there we go. I mean, this is super impressive. This is one prompt, one go. Here's some more examples. Here is clone the Apple website, and this sure looks good to me. And of course, here is the 3D browser-based flight simulator game, and this looks darn good as well. Here's an AI game, kind of looks like Red Dead Redemption, but you can't walk around yet, but still very impressive. Here's an incredible animation, really cool, really dizzying. And here's another open source project that we know it uses now, E2B, which is an open source coding runtime for AI agents. So a lot of really cool open source technologies all being put together in a single, very polished product. I was able to get a Manus invite code from Hattis from Grok, so thank you so much to her for giving that to me. And one thing that surprised me is that Manus is actually the same company that made Monica.im, who has sponsored this channel, although this video is not sponsored, and I got access to Manus on my own. So I created two different games just to try it out. The first is one that I've seen everywhere online, which is create a 3D browser-based multiplayer flight simulator. And I wanted to see how far we can get in one go. So that's what I did, and you can already see. So making the directory, making the to-do, and if I click into it, you can see the to-do list. So research 3D web technologies, research multiplayer implementation, evaluate framework options, and it took a long time, but of course it should. It's a big project. And so you can see all of the output here. And at the very end, it actually tried to run the game within its own environment, but I couldn't get it working. So I actually just said, download me the files. And surprisingly, that worked. It zipped up the files and let me download it quite easily.